Hi and welcome to Heal My Hemorrhoids. In this video you will learn how to use calmoseptine for hemorrhoids, what tips and tricks can be good when treating hemorrhoids. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Use calmoseptine topically on external hemorrhoids. Use the applicator to apply on the affected area if one comes with the package. Clean the affected area well before applying calmoseptine. Apply calmoseptine 2 to 3 times per day. For mild to severe hemorrhoids, apply after every bowel movement. For worse hemorrhoids, apply 5 times or more daily. Amongst the many options offered to overcome hemorrhoids, calmoseptine comes as one of the most recommended items. But to what extent it would be true? Will it work to overcome your hemorrhoids problem? And how to apply it correctly? Using calmoseptine on hemorrhoids. As mentioned, calmoseptine is an ointment product. Therefore, the application is a topical method. Each product of calmoseptine comes with a clear manual and instruction to apply the solution to the affected area. It is easy and straightforward to apply the product depending on where you will want to use it and how severe the problem is. The application of calmoseptine is DIY stuff. But you can also consult with your doctor if you are not sure about how to do it and the takeaways. As mentioned, the application of calmoseptine is usually relevant to the symptoms of the hemorrhoids, which come with milder ones. But it is not recommended to apply it to severe areas such as open wounds, deep cuts, etc. Calmoseptine a home remedy? If you are applying the ointment by yourself at home, you will want to follow the instructions or manual clearly from the product. Read the manual thoroughly and do all the steps as instructed in the manual book. Do not overdose on the application since the result won't be effective. Gently clean and dry the affected hemorrhoids area before applying the solution to it. Shake the container well to mix all of the ingredients. How often to use calmoseptine? Normally, you will need to apply the calmoseptine 2 to 3 times per day or as directed by your doctor. For milder to a bit severe hemorrhoid condition, you could apply the solution to the affected area after each bowel movement. Including after bowel movement, you will need to apply it up to 4 times per day. Some people who have worse hemorrhoids may need to apply the medication 5 times or more. Go to the doctor and follow his tips. Calmoseptine only for external hemorrhoids. As the ointment is used topically, you cannot use it for your rectum inside. Therefore, it won't be appropriate to use calmoseptine for internal hemorrhoids. Use it for external hemorrhoids only. If you are using the hemorrhoid ointment, there could be an applicator that comes with it. An applicator is an important tool to evenly spread the cream to the affected area so that you will get the maximum result. You could clean the applicator before using it to apply the solution for your hemorrhoids. After cleaning your applicator, you will want to wash your hands with sanitizer or mild soap and dry them. Do not apply the product in large areas. Your condition might not improve faster. If you have sensitive skin, you will also need to pay attention to the side effects that might occur. Is calmoseptine good for hemorrhoids? Calmoseptine product is the moisture barrier ointment that layers the skin with the ample moisture barrier to protect the injured skin so that it can prevent the skin injury from getting worse. It protects the injured skin from harmful direct contact with urine, feces, wound, and so on. With the development in the pharmaceutical industry, this product would rather work as the counter-irritant property. That explains why it can effectively counter the skin problems such as rashes, insect bites, eczema, oak, sumac, and of course the hemorrhoids. How is calmoseptine good for hemorrhoids? Calmoseptine can increase blood circulation in the affected area so that it can help in rejuvenating and healing. The mild antiseptic consisted of calmoseptine can also help to prevent the infections which can happen because of hemorrhoids. With such versatility, it can be very useful for you on many different occasions. Not only for hemorrhoids, but you can also use it for another purpose if you need it later. Calmoseptine can make the moisture balanced and it helps to protect your skin, especially the hemorrhoids affected areas. As we know, one of hemorrhoids symptoms is bleeding. Calmoseptine can help you to treat the bleeding because of the scrapes, itching, cuts, etc. There are many different irritants and injuries that calmoseptine can cure, including hemorrhoids. What is calmoseptine ointment? We will answer all of your questions regarding calmoseptine for hemorrhoids. Many people have vouched for calmoseptine as the best solution to treat their hemorrhoids. According to the experts, calmoseptine does work for milder symptoms of hemorrhoids. For severe cases, it may or may not work. But before going further on that, we need to know about the basics of calmoseptine first. Explaining calmoseptine. Calmoseptine has been there for over 8 decades in the pharmaceutical industry. It was designed as a rash ointment for infants. But since then, many practitioners have been using the ointment for many different health conditions. The application of the product is mainly topical. Where to find calmoseptine? You can find this product in any brick-and-mortar store in your area or over-the-counter drug store without a doctor's prescription. Calmoseptine comes in different forms and brands in the market. Therefore, it is crucial to choose the right product to apply to your skin. The most common calmoseptine product comes in a tube or a jar. The contents might be different from one brand to another, but rest assured that the effects for the hemorrhoids would be the same. Skin barrier ointment like this is also available in department stores. You would want to go to the supplement, vitamins, or drug segment in your favorite department store to get the product. The good thing here is that you can get the product even without a prescription from your doctor. During the pandemic, it might be challenging to get calmoseptine conventionally. Instead, you could focus your search on the drug store, which offers the delivery service, or online store. Browse around the product conveniently from your home and take the delivery service. Calmoseptine side effects. A serious side effect to calmoseptine is very rare, but however, if you see any allergic reaction, itching, or rash on the applied area, seek medical help. Stop using the ointment if you find swellings, itching, or increased pain. Irritation, redness, or warmth may occur in the area where the cream is applied. If these last for a longer period of time or gets worse, contact your doctor. Many that use this cream does not see any side effects whatsoever. If you notice unusual or side effects not mentioned above, reach out to your doctor and stop using the ointment. Hemorrhoids are one of the most excruciating problems faced by many people regardless of their age differences. However, it is manageable even with home remedies. If your hemorrhoids do not get any better in 7 days or more, you will then want to reach out to your doctor for further diagnoses and treatments. Thank you for watching, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.